Hi guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to copy Instagram profile link. But before that, make sure that you are connected to the internet. And once connected, just simply tap the Instagram application to open it. And from here, you will see your profile icon here located at the bottom part. Just tap this icon and go to edit profile. Then just tap here in the username and highlight and copy this username. After copying, just open your web browser and type here in the URL address instagram.com, then slash and paste the username of your Instagram account. Just paste here, then press or tap this enter, and as you can see, you will be able to open your Instagram account through this profile link. Okay, just copy this URL address and you will be able to paste it here again. And that's it guys on how to copy the profile link of your Instagram account. Okay, I hope this video helps you a lot and keep following for more video tips. Thank you guys.